Internal Revenue Service IRS tax news. IRS seeks nominations for the 2022 Internal Revenue Service Advisory Council. IR 2021-121, June 1st, 2021, Washington. The Internal Revenue Service today announced it is accepting applications for the Internal Revenue Service Advisory Council, the IRSAC. Applications will be accepted through July 9th, 2021. The IRSAC serves as an advisory body to the IRS Commissioner and provides an organized public forum for discussion of relevant tax administration issues between the IRS officials and representatives of the public. The Advisory Council proposes enhancements to the IRS operations, recommends administrative and policy changes to improve taxpayer service, compliance, and tax administration, discusses relevant information reporting issues, addresses matters concerning tax-exempt and government entities, and conveys the public's perception of professional standards and best practices for tax professionals. IRSAC members are appointed to 3-year terms by the IRS Commissioner and submit a report to the Commissioner annually at the public meeting. Applications are currently being accepted for terms that will begin in January 2022. Nominations of qualified individuals may come from individuals or organizations. IRSAC members are drawn from substantially diverse backgrounds representing a cross-section of the taxpayer public with substantial disparate experience in tax preparation for individuals, small business, and large multinational corporations, tax-exempt and government entities, information reporting, and taxpayer or consumer perspective. Applications should document the proposed members' qualifications. In particular, the IRSAC is seeking applicants with knowledge and background in some of the following areas: individual wage and investment, knowledge of tax law application, tax preparation experience, and income tax issues related to refundable credits, the audit process, and/or how information returns are used and integrated for compliance, experience educating on tax issues and topics with multilingual taxpayer communications and taxpayer advocacy or contact center operations, marketing application, industry benchmarks to operations with tax software industry and/or with the creation or use of diverse information returns used to report income deductions, withholdings, or other information for tax purposes. Familiarity with IRS tax forms and publications and financial services information technology background with knowledge of technology innovations in public and private customer service sectors. Small business and self-employed, knowledge or experience with virtual currency, cryptocurrency, and/or peer-to-peer payment applications, knowledge of pass-through entities and/or fiduciary tax, and experience with online or digital businesses, audit representation, and/or educating on tax issues and topics. Large business and international tax expertise, experience as certified public accountant or tax attorney working for a large sophisticated organization, and experience working in-house at a major firm dealing with complex organizations. Tax-exempt and government entities, experience with exempt organizations and/or employee plans, information reporting, service provider, banker industry, and/or insurance industry background with experience filing information returns. Applicants must be in good standing regarding their own tax or obligations and demonstrate high professional and ethical standards. All applicants must complete and submit an application and pass tax compliance and practitioner check. For those applicants deemed, quote, best qualified, end quote, FBI fingerprint checks will also be required. More information, including the application form, is available at Open Season for Membership, Internal Revenue Service Council. There's a link to that here. Questions about the application process can be emailed to publicliaison@irs.gov. There'll be that email here as well. There'll be a link to this in the description.